So today I'd like to do a brief demonstration on our air valves, our flexible ducting and how to install them. So moving on to the actual valves themselves, the metal air valves, we do both the supply and the extract, various sizes, with the core that you can wind in and out to adjust the airflow, with standard installation rings for your connection to your ductwork or your flexible ductwork at the back. Moving on to the plastic, it has its own installation ring to the back, and with the plastic you can use these for both extract and supply air. The new air valve I'd like to show you is the new fire rated valve, both extract and supply from 100 diameter, 125, 150 and 200. So you can tell it's a fire rated valve via the red lining on the inside, again both with the supply valve as well. What you can do with these, which is quite good, is they are good for retrofitting. So if you have a valve already in a ceiling that you want to change, they're exactly the same, fit exactly the same as the other ones. So you can take them ones out and put those ones in. In regards to your fire rating, it holds a 1 hour rating. So a really good cost-effective way to help introduce some fire protection. So moving on to our flexible ducts, this would be your insulated for your supply air, this would be your uninsulated for your extract, and we also stock the PVC black flexi. So I'd like to walk you through very quickly the installation process of the ring leader, which obviously fits your air valves to your tiles. I think we've all been there at one point or another in terms of when you're fitting these to a ceiling or a plasterboard, in regards to how you actually do it and where do you get your trim or your wood or whatever you're fixing it with. So this new ring leader will answer those questions and be very easy to install. Stage one, you've obviously got your tile with your hole already cut. You get your ring or your back plate of your valve into the tile. For this purpose, obviously we've got a ceiling tile at low level. This would be going straight over, but if you were to fit this in a solid ceiling, for instance, you would just crack that join, take that small section out, and that would just allow your hose banding and your hose clips just to pass through the fitting. So you'd then put that on the back of that. Then you'd get your drill. So there you see, attached, going nowhere. You'd then obviously fit your tile, and whatever way round you would either fit your flexible duct or you would then fit your valve into the tile. So nice and solid, as you can see through the back plate. Then you could either put the back into the ceiling and either or put your flex on first, then your grill, but then your grill will just go in. Nice and solid. So moving on to the hose banding, or what I call the strangle band, and the hose clips, or what I call the worms. This would obviously connect your flexible duct to the top of your spigot ring or the back of your valve. Like I said, we can cut this to suit, or you can buy them pre-made. I'll use the cut to suit. Make the band itself. So the band now, as you can see, is ready to go. So now we'll pop your flexible onto the back of your spigot or your back of your valve. And then put your clip in position. And then use a drill, or you can obviously use a screwdriver to tighten that up. There you go, nice and secure. On to the next one. So hopefully that helps. However, if you or your team would like some further information on the products that I've just demonstrated or some further training, please do head over to greenmilldesign.com and register your one-to-one training session via our calendar. Otherwise, please feel free to send an email. Thanks for listening. Hope to hear from you soon.